Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's January 27th, 2025, and about 11:15 in the morning, and about 29 degrees. See, the sun's melted the frost on one side of the post here. Oh yeah, another beautiful day. Blue sky, sun's out. I have installed the battery back in the Chevy pickup. We're done working on the Tahoe right now because I'm going to have to actually go get a different engine. So Tahoe battery's charged up. I'll go back in there. So I'll roll the power windows up and down to get the thing out of the shop once the engine's pulled. Anyway, I got everybody watered. All the ice broke. And they're still eating breakfast. Seem to be happy for right now. Yeah, hopefully warms up some, and it stays blue out here. Yeah, these are the days I love for the winter here in Eastern Washington. There's Harold over here eating. Yeah, still can't wait until spring.